Hello, it's Chris from Tranquility Homes, and here we are at Forest Gate. You might remember, it's a good few months ago now, we sold this property to a couple and they were very interested in the potential of it. We helped them with some plans and we helped them to start to realise their dream. And we've got some really exciting news as well, which our director Adam is going to be going into. But yeah, why don't we see what's going on?
We're really excited to be here today to just show you what we're going to be doing with this project and to also launch our next venture, which I'm really hoping is going to be a great support for Chris and the sales team and also for our lettings teams and landlords in general. So what we've decided to do is, from the work and things we've been doing, we've got a lot of demand from clients saying, you know, we're really struggling to find good quality builders that can build these projects. We want to buy them off you, but we're struggling with the build side of it. So what we've done is we've teamed up with a local builder and we've launched Landlord Building Solutions, which is going to be a niche product just targeted at our existing clients, so our landlords, people we've sold houses to or worked with in the past, to help them develop their projects and develop their kind of aspirations and dream homes really. So we're really excited to be, this is the launch of it today, and we want to show you what we've been doing with this first project.
This is really exciting and it's going to open up so many more opportunities for both our vendors and our clients. I'm quite excited to see how this one's going to turn out.
Yeah, let's go in and have a look.
So here we are in the original living room, and one of the things that we loved about this house when we listed it was the potential of opening up this whole space. And so we're going to have a quick chat with Adam and he's going to talk us through some of the details and the plans that we've got, because the new owners are going to totally remodel the internals of this house. It's going to be incredible when it's done. So yeah, Adam, what's the plan in here?
Yeah, so we're in the existing lounge at the moment, so it's got two reception rooms downstairs. So you've got the front reception room, which we're leaving as it is for now. We're in the rear reception room here. So like you said, you know, open plan living is the kind of the modern way, and it really, having a family area that's functional for everyone is like a real big bonus when we're coming to selling houses, isn't it? So, you know, that's one thing that we're going to do in here. So at the moment we've got a wall in between the living room and the kitchen. So we're going to be knocking all this out, putting new RSJs up to strengthen, make sure all the structure and everything's keep strengthened.
Mm-hmm. And I'm guessing then that's going to be a big job. What's the sort of time frame you're looking at for this?
Yeah, so we started this project only on Tuesday, so it's Friday today, so we've been on it 3 days. So at the moment it's kind of Operation Rip Out. We'll be looking to take down the walls and things next week. Wow. As well. So the project's going to move at quite a pace. I think within the next 8 to 12 weeks we're hoping we're going to be done in here. But for the first kind of 2 or 3 weeks it's all about ripping out. We're going to be taking this wall out. There's a utility at the back there as well. We're going to be, we've taken the roof off of that. We're building that up a little bit because it was quite a narrow flat roof, so we're making a bit more height in there. So it's going to be downstairs toilets in there, good sized utility room, and then there's going to be a nice kind of L-shaped kitchen we're going to put in as well.
Ugh, I can't wait to see it. So here we are in the original kitchen. As you can see, we're all ripping it out at the minute. But Adam, what's the plan in here then?
Yeah, so in here, when we were in the living room, I talked about we're going to take this wall out. So this wall is all going to come out, and most of this wall here is going to come out. So we're just going to go out into the hallway a little bit, just to create a little bit more space and kind of square off this room a little bit more. So one of the main things that the owners have noticed since they moved into this house is the boilers, the heating system was a really old system. They've been noticing how much they've been spending on utility bills. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be insulating all of the exterior walls, and then also we're going to be digging down into the floors. We're going to be insulating the floors, and then there's going to be underfloor heating that's going to go over on top of that as well.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it should be a real nice finish. So with the kitchen as well, the kitchen is going to come along here on the right. It's going to come all around here and round to here. So they've chosen quite a nice high-spec kitchen that we help them source, and we're looking at kind of some marble worktops as well to really finish that off. So.
I like the sound of this. So what about the rest of the house? Are there any other plans?
Yeah, so with the rest of the house, while the owners aren't here at the moment, because you can imagine they're a young family. They can't be living in this kind of mess. So we're taking the opportunity as well at the same time to fully rewire the whole house and put a whole new heating system and new boiler into the house as well.
Nice.
Again, the emphasis is really on trying to put some energy saving measures in there and help cut those utility costs. So kind of from a longevity point of view, they're going to have a much more sustainable house as well as a nice brand spanking new house.
Yeah, very topical at the minute, of course, as well. So yeah, this sounds very exciting. And you reckon 12 weeks we might be there?
Somewhere in that kind of ballpark. It all depends on the trades and everything coming in to get the job finished. But yeah, that's the kind of timescales we're looking at. So we've got another few bits that we're doing as well that I've not mentioned actually. So back in the lounge, we're putting some double doors in there to look out on this lovely garden. There's going to be a new door in the utility area as well. So yeah, a couple of other bits that are being done at the same time.
Well, if that's okay with you, maybe you can invite us back in about 2 weeks and we'll see where we're at with it then.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that would be great. So,
So big thanks to Adam for inviting
No
us,
problem.
and thank you for watching what is going to be our latest series on our development project on this substantial home in Anstey. And of course, I'll leave the last word to Adam. He can tell you again about our exciting new venture working with our clients and vendors to bring their property dreams to life.
Yeah, thanks again for watching, and yeah, we're looking forward to working with a lot of you out there to hopefully help you grow your property portfolio. So thanks for watching and see you again soon.